In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect S Pen to S22 Ultra. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use an S Pen with your S22 Ultra. Before I start this video, I want to make it very clear that the S Pen is already included with the S22 Ultra. So on the slot that you can find over here, on the bottom of the S22, all that you have to do is remove the S Pen, so you tap on the button and then you grab it from the socket. Immediately upon removing the S Pen, you will see this icon being displayed on your screen. You can move it around and put it anywhere that you wish, and if you tap on this, you can find plenty of options related to the S Pen. So you don't have to purchase a replacement S Pen unless you are having trouble using yours or you would like to acquire an S Pen Pro. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. It is natively going to be included with every single S22 Ultra. As long as yours is genuine, you will be able to find it here and you just remove it from the socket. Now, if you want to manage the S Pen, open the settings and then find advanced features. So scroll down until you see this option or use the search function to look for S Pen. So inside of advanced features, one of the categories is going to be S Pen, and when you go into this menu, you will be able to manage it. So you will see if it is currently inserted into the slot. So in this screenshot that I took from my S23 Ultra, which should be the same for your S22, it is going to tell you if it is ready to be used. So as long as it is properly inserted in the socket, you are good to go, and you can manage things like air actions, the commands that you have available, air view, and so on. You can customize all of the options, and if you are having trouble or you would like to use an alternative S Pen, tap on these three icons or three dots at the top right, and you will be able to either reset the S Pen if you are having problems or scan for an S Pen Pro. If you choose the option to scan, you just have to hold it in close proximity of your S22 Ultra and press the physical connect button on the S Pen. But using one is simple because it is always going to be included, and all that you have to do is remove it from the socket. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect S Pen to S22 Ultra. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.